Synology RT2600X4X4 dual-band gigabit Wi-Fi router, MU-MIMO, powerful parental controls, threat prevention, bandwidth management, VPN, expandable coverage with mesh Wi-Fi. 1.7 GHz dual-core processor for fast, uncompromising performance. Coverage area 3,000 square feet. Powerful 4x4 800 2.11 Wave 2 radios with MU-MIMO and up to 2.53 Gbps breakthrough wireless speeds. Smart Connect for seamless transition between maximum speed or range. Hardware accelerated Layer 7 traffic control and monitoring. Dual WAN capable for load balancing and failover support. Operating temperature 5 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. US version. AC input power voltage 100 volts to 240 volts AC. System RAM type DDR3 STRAM. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.